You're a new writer and you know you need to learn about craft, but you're not sure where to start. Sound familiar? I have a degree in English, but I learned a lot about James Joyce and Charles Dickens, not a whole lot about writing fiction for today's reader who will read something totally different from Charles Dickens. There's a lot to learn with plotting and show not tell and scene and sequel and all of these kinds of concepts that may be foreign to you. Well, I suggest for sure you start watching channels like Writing Compelling Fiction. We're picking up how-to books like The Writer's Journey, Fire and Fiction, or Writing Compelling Fiction, which is also out there. The third, I highly suggest that you read. And this is where a lot of writers actually fall down. They don't read a lot once they start writing. You need to read and read widely. Don't just read your favorite genre, read all genres. Really analyze the books and how the author did what they did. How did they pull that off? And if you want a little bit of a guideline for how to do that, I have a download on my website that's free called The Highlighter Method of Learning to Plot. Go to writingcompellingfiction.com and you can download that right there. And that will teach you how to go through a book and what to look for so that you can take those lessons and apply them to your own work.